The key question is how to use the strategic capacity of Europe. In the moment you can observe that Europe has a great potential concerning world politics, but it has only a diffuse structure to use that, and it has no strategic culture. Where is the European strategic elite? Question mark. And the meetings like this conference should contribute to clarify this key question. And we have to look forward to that under this world political pressure in which we are. Until now, we didn't find really precise answers, but let's maintain this question mark and try to improve the political culture of Europe.